Okay, hi guys. I'm about to tell you of all my Nerf collections. Can you put the camera on them? See, these are all my Nerfs. So, let me give you some. This is my pistol. Give it a close up. A pistol. This is my Spec REV5. This is my Dark Tat Nerf. I love this gun. This is my Neutron and my other Neutron. Here go my Vulcan EBL25. I'm gonna show y'all more videos on YouTube when I get them. Thanks. Bye guys. See you later.